Hello, I made a blacksmith knife with a different shape, so I just want to show you. It's shaped like this. And I also made the sheath, so a good knife needs a good sheath. So please tell me what you think about it. And also, this week I will start on a Christmas present. It's for a kid. He wants Viking arrows, like identical, historical, correct. So I will try to make some good Viking arrows. So if you want to see me make it, make sure to subscribe and follow the channel for more. Thank you.